Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a Gorenje brand dishwasher and you're getting an error E1 on it and you're wondering, what is this error and how do I get rid of it and get my dishwasher working again? So to start with, real simply, the E1 error is a water fill error, which means that when you go to start the dishwasher, it tries to fill up with water so that it can work. And if after a certain amount of time it doesn't have enough water, it will give you this E1 error. So all you need to do to fix this error is to find out why is the dishwasher not getting water. Now, the main culprits are going to be, well, first of all, if the water's not onto your house, that's going to be an issue. But also, underneath wherever the faucet is, the valve, make sure that valve is all the way open, all the way to the left, all the way counterclockwise, so that water is getting into the hose. The next thing you want to check is that hose that goes from the valve to the back of the dishwasher. You want to make sure it's not bent or kinked or smashed or anything like that. Sometimes, like when you install the dishwasher or if you push on it, you can kind of push it too hard against the wall and you can pinch the hose and the water can't get through and then it can't get into the dishwasher. If that doesn't fix it, the next thing to check is to just unscrew the hose from the back. There's usually a debris screen in the hose. Make sure that it's not clogged, preventing water from getting into the dishwasher. If you do all of those things, you should be able to get water flowing to your dishwasher again, get rid of the error, and everything should be working fine. So I hope this video helped. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.